Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arion here, back with another video. And today's video is a brand new video. I've never done it before. Today we are doing an unboxing and a first impression video. So I'm pretty sure all of you guys have heard that Rihanna has a brand new line of products. Yes, Fenty Skin is out and popping. I ordered this probably like 10 days ago, and I was expecting it a week ago, but I got it a week later, but that's okay. I'm really excited for the products. I think that all of Rihanna's products have had really great reviews, and they all seem to be of really high quality, so I'm pretty sure the Fenty Skin box is going to be the same exact way. Just want to let you guys know that I bought these products myself. I was not sent the product, so this is really gonna be really genuine, like nothing is influencing my thoughts. Before we get right into the video, be sure to hit that lovely red subscribe button down below so you can join the family so you can see more of my videos. All right guys, let's do the unboxing. So my Fenty Skin products came in this box. I have it turned this way so you guys don't see my address, but it is a pretty small box. I ordered 2 out of the 3 products. I got the facial cleanser and then the toner serum. I didn't want the sunscreen because I didn't really see the purpose, but we're not gonna talk about that. So you open the box, ooh, and it says Fenty Skin. Oh, Fenty Skin Beauty. So I feel like Fenty Skin is just a part of the beauty line. That's just skincare products. I like that. That's like really nice. Like I thought it was just a normal like UPS box, but it's customized. Maybe I'll keep it. Okay, we have paper. So, oh, this is so pretty. I didn't realize that the color of the box matches the color of the products. And there are my products right there. Yeah, so this is super, super cute. So the first product that I'm gonna pull out is, this is the toner serum, right? It's called Fat Water. Oh, okay, Fat Water, interesting. It's Pore-Refining Toner Serum. It says, instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots. Yes, because I have dark spots and it's so annoying. Even skin tone and fights shine without stripping skin. Okay. Use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers. Interesting. I've never had a toner where you apply it with like fingers. I always like put it on a cotton swab and then like rub it all over my face. So that's really interesting. I feel like it's kind of thick. Should I like, I'm gonna pour it on myself so you guys can see it, but yeah, this is really interesting. I think the bottle is gorgeous. I love the colors. I feel like it looks really clean, really sleek. Oh, I love this. And it has a lot of different products in it. The only one I recognize is aqua/water, but I think it's gonna be really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna open it now. Ooh, like the noise. Oh, I think, okay. Oh, okay. So this is like the type of bottle, I guess, where you twist it and it comes out like this. So, okay, it's not as thick as I thought it was. It's definitely, I feel like it's a little thicker than most toner serums that I've used, but, oh wow, guys, it has a really nice smell. The smell is really nice. Like, it's not like fragranced, but it's just clean. Oh my God, this smells really good. Wow, I'm in love with this. So yeah, I like the consistency, love the smell. The bottle's really nice. I will say it was a little difficult to realize that it's a squeezy type bottle. I guess it's childproof. Well, no, it's not. But yeah, I like that. I can't wait to try this product and to see if it actually works, because I feel like you can definitely see my pores. You can definitely tell that I have dark spots. So if this product can correct it, we are all good. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Next up in our box, we have the Total Cleanser without an E, well, without the second E. It's a remove it all cleanser. So I think I read that this can be used for makeup or just for your basic, you know, skincare routine. So let's read it. Hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying. That's great. Daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Very, very convenient. I love that because there's some like cleansers that don't take off your makeup, but since this one actually does that, that's awesome. 2 in 1. Directions: use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, then rinse. For external use only, use as directed. Okay, so, okay, I'm happy I didn't try to squeeze it and open the cap. This has a cap similar to the other one. So I guess I just twist to break the seal. There we go. And then the cap is open. I'm only gonna do a little bit because this is, you know, cleanser. And oh, this is a 4.9 fluid ounce bottle, so I would say it's smaller than the average cleanser, but I like how tall it is. It's so cute. Oh wow. This also has a really nice smell. It just smells so clean. Oh my god, it's thick. Y'all, I'm in love. I love a good thick cleanser. And I know it's gonna like lather up. It's already lathering up and I don't even have any water on my hand. I know it's gonna lather up when we put some water in there, like really well. Oh my god, this is really good. And again, I'm so obsessed with the smell. Like, I love those products that when you like clean your face and then you feel good because you smell good. That's literally the best. I don't want to smell like chemicals after I finish washing my face. All right guys, so those are my 2 products from Fenty Skin. I'm really, really excited to try them. I actually will have a video on my Instagram where I'm actually trying the products out for the first time. So if you want to check that out, be sure to head over to my Instagram at Arion so you can see that IGTV video. But this was really, really exciting. Again, I love the smell. I love the packaging of these products. Like, this is so pretty. These are like neutral colors. They're soft, they're clean. I love it. I can't wait to try it. I really hope that these products are of quality and that they're not just like products that are gonna be sold out because Rihanna is the face of the brand pretty much. But from what I'm seeing so far, from my little first impression, like skin, oh my god. No, my hand smells so good, I can't get over this. But from that little first impression, little tryout haul, whatever you want to call it, I really like the products. If I had to say which one I'm most excited for, it's definitely the toner serum. Because like I told you guys, my problem is I have dark spots over my face and they're not terrible. If you see some of my videos where I don't have makeup on, you can probably see them. But I want to be fully comfortable with getting on camera without having dark spots. Like, I'm okay without the highlighter, without the contour. I would like to have brows, but if my skin is clear, I will be so okay with just hopping on camera and doing a vlog every day. But I feel like I have to wear makeup to cover up those dark spots. Anyway, so I'm impressed with these products. Again, head over to my Instagram to see my Instagram TV video where I try them out and I give you my real like full first impression. But this should be really good, and I can't wait to do like an update video to see how this has affected my skin and to see if I actually like these products or if it just wasn't the move. Well, all right guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Comment down below what you guys think about the products. Have you heard different reviews that were negative about these? Do you like the packaging of these 2 products? And have you purchased these or will you purchase these? Has my first impression kind of like weighed on your mind about whether you should get them or not? So comment down below, let's talk about it. And again, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that lovely red subscribe button down below so you can join the family. Hit that like button and don't forget to leave your comment down below. This was your girl Arion here on Arion Janae's World, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.